Looking for an affordable robot vacuum cleaner with precise navigation? Let's check out the brand new InstaRobo L1 today. Hi, this is Dave of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, let's unbox and check out this InstaRobo L1 robot vacuum. It's one of the most affordable robot vacuum with laser navigation. It comes in blue and black. I have the black one here. Let's see what comes in the box. A manual in English. The robot vacuum, of course. A cleaning tool, a mop and water tank. Yes, this one mops too. An extra mop, an extra filter. One is already in the vacuum. A charging dock and its power supply. And 4 side brushes. 2 will be used and 2 to spare. Oh, and there's a cute remote to control the vacuum with. Let's take a look at the vacuum in more detail. It looks similar to most robot vacuums these days. It's round, about 13 inches in diameter, and about almost 4 inches in height. Weighs about 6 pounds. Made of mostly plastic, it has a glossy black top with gold ring accents on the edge and a gold InstaRobo logo. The laser housing in the middle and the 3 control buttons are also in gold. The left button is a recharge button to start and pause charging. The middle button is a power button to turn on and off the vacuum and to start and pause vacuuming. The button on the right is the Wi-Fi button to pair the vacuum with the app, which we'll go over later. There's a bumper in the front, and the dust bin is in the back. It's a very good sized bin at 600 milliliters. Inside the cover, there's a HEPA filter. This is also where the included water tank and mop was slot in instead for mopping. On the bottom of the vacuum, there are 3 edge sensors so the vacuum won't fall off the edge. A small omnidirectional wheel with 2 charging electrodes on the sides. There are 2 connectors for side brushes. Let's put them on now. There are 2 large main wheels and a roller brush in between. The battery is under this cover. It's a 3000 mAh battery that takes about 6 hours to fully charge, and it allows the vacuum to run for about 2 hours. The charging dock is a low profile one in matching color, which is easy to place against the wall. These are the 2 contacts for charging the vacuum. Let's charge it up. Alright, it's the next day and the vacuum is all charged up. While the vacuum could be controlled by these 3 buttons on the top or by this small remote control, which the kids will love, to get the most out of it, we need to connect it to an app. The app in this case is called Taya Smart. Once installed and logged in, tap the plus sign or add device. Then we can scan the QR code on this manual. It says LDS robot, press add, and select the 2.4 gigahertz network. In this case here, put in the password, hit next. It says to reset the device first and then press the Wi-Fi button and hold it for 3 seconds to start pairing.
Start AP network connection mode.
And confirm the Wi-Fi indicator is flashing. Press next. Go to the Wi-Fi menu, Look for a device that starts with Smart Life. There it goes. Then the app is now adding the device. There it goes. Took about 20 seconds. And it can now also be controlled with Alexa or Google Assistant. It says there's a new firmware found. Let's update that now. Start update.
Upgrading. The robot is ready.
All right, the firmware upgrade is now completed. That took about a couple of minutes. With the vacuum connected to the app, I can hit auto cleaning here on the bottom left.
Start cleaning.
The first time it cleans, the vacuum will go around the house and create a map. Next to it is a button for spot cleaning. The vacuum will go to a spot I designate and clean a 5 feet by 5 feet area centered around the spot. The button in the middle selects a zone or multiple zones to be cleaned once a map is created. The next button cleans any spot I draw. The last button on the lower right sends the vacuum back to the charging dock.
Returning to charging station. Start charging.
Here on the right, there's a button to set up restricted areas or virtual walls in places I don't want the vacuum to clean or go to. Below is a button to edit and partition the map into multiple zones. And lastly, under More settings such as timer, suction power, and voice prompt volume. As mentioned earlier, not only can this robot vacuum, it can also mop if I take out the dust bin and replace it with the included water tank and mop. It does a decent job wiping the floor, but won't take out heavier stains, and it can only either vacuum or clean, not do them both at the same time as more expensive robot vacuums can do. In addition to good suction power, I think precise mapping and navigation is an essential feature for a robot vacuum. It's great to see these robot vacuums come down in price. Now, there are much more expensive vacuums with more advanced features such as auto-emptying dock or simultaneous vacuuming and mopping like the Roborock S7 Plus I reviewed not long ago. I'll put a link to that video here and in the description below if you're interested. But at just about $310, InstaRobo L1 is a great entry point to a robot vacuum with the laser navigation feature. There's even more discounts from time to time in the link I'll post in the description below if you'd like to check it out. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. What robot vacuum have you tried? I'd love to know your experiences with them in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.